Pineapple skin tea is a flavorful anti-inflammatory tea that can be added to cashews to create a medicinal alternative milk. To make the milk, first we need to remove the nut-like seeds' protective enzymes that interfere with digestion by soaking the cashews overnight in the refrigerator. So scale 75 grams of cashews and pour boiling water over top. To make pineapple tea, peel and chop the outer skin of a pineapple and add 200 grams of it to a sauce pot with 25 grams of chopped ginger, 25 grams of chopped turmeric, a stick of Ceylon cinnamon, 500 milliliters of water, and black pepper to taste. Next, simmer with a lid on for 30 minutes, then strain and allow to cool. The next day, the cashews need to be rinsed and added to a blender with 375 grams of the pineapple tea. Then blend on high speed for a couple of minutes and strain through a nut milk bag. Gently squeeze the bag to release the milk and discard the remaining pulp. This pineapple tea cashew milk recipe makes 500 milliliters and can be enjoyed as is or sweetened with honey to taste. Stored in the refrigerator, the milk will keep for about 3 days.